Good day, everyone. Before I start, I need to do one thing. Thank you. Okay, first of all, let me thank you all for your interest to our solution and say special thanks to Gurtam for this conference and fall conference, fall telematics. You know, when I was at first telematics in 2008, it was a meeting of 20 people who came from 2 countries, and now look at this, a lot of people, a lot of technologies, a lot of solution, a lot of all this changes a lot for this year. Thank you. My name is Maxim. I am from GetGPS companies group. We are based here in Vilnius, Lithuania. And like most people here, we are connecting units to the Wialon around the world. We are Wialon integrator companies. In this presentation, I would like to share our experience with development complex reports for Wialon. I got to tell you that one thing, a few years ago, we opened our own development center in Pune, India, and starting working on the software development project. We are making different software projects now. And need to say that the 80% of requests for we getting in this year, it was request about development of reports, of local complex reports. And this is not surprising because Wialon is very powerful, very nice, very cool software, but the report constructor is a little bit restricted. You cannot to add any data to Wialon from third parties. In the beginning, we was creating a separate scripts or web services that generated just one specific report for every customer. But with increasing quantity of working scripts and these services, we got a lot of folks to save all of them in working condition. Here you can see the real questions from technical support guys, from clients, from managers. We was making one script for one report, and it was not good. So we create a web services report generator, Repogen. I should explain that then I say report, I mean report template, the code, the algorithm that generates the report itself. Repogen is the web service where we can create, save, send, and organize access to any kinds and quantity of complex reports templates. The service using modern technologies, it can work with any external or public API or takes data by other ways. What we can do here. Repogen has no limits about quantity of reports. Users can keep their different types of reports as long as they want. Repogen has sandbox. Users can create own code here, if they have knowledge or resource, of course. We create a feedback service inside Repogen. Users can order needed report template by request from Repogen account or get detailed answers from our skilled technical support. We have a good role-based access control. groups of users and permission levels that we made here helps to efficiently manage access to read and organize reports of our employees and clients. We can create any forms of reports here that meets the necessary requirements of the project. And let me give you a couple of examples of Repogen units using. In this case, we enable for customer to assign, reassign RFID to the driver and link and unlink RFID to the forklifts. We take data about drivers from Wialon, but the access rights we create in Repogen. The user can manage access here and sending new rules to forklifts, control access devices from Repogen directly. In this case, we compare data from several absolutely different systems, from fuel card providers and data from Wialon fuel sensors. And one more thing, in these two solutions, we create a separate login page for users and used at different domain names. In fact, it looks like a separate web services, but base of project is Repogen. And let me end by saying that the Repogen was creating for solves our clients' challenges with using data science in project with Wialon. This is instrument for integrators. In general, we can do anything with data in Repogen. No any limits here. We are developing and using Repogen about 2 years, and now we want to offer you to use this service with us, absolutely for free. We take charges for report development only, but Repogen is free software. We are starting a closed registration for integrators. Please welcome. We will be happy to get any constructive feedback. Thank you.
Any questions for Maxim? Yeah. Sergey, hold on 1 second for the mic. Thank you.
Max, thank you very much. You said you were using this. Does it allow the third-party data integration as well into these reports, not only from Wialon but also from third-party? Can you please elaborate on that?
Sorry?
You said like the Wialon reports missing third-party data. Does Repogen allow that, and can you please elaborate more on that?
Yes. You cannot use Wialon to take data from our other site. You can add. You cannot add anything to Wialon. And
how do you solve
Wialon
it
is closed software.
How do you solve it in Repogen?
We using external API, and we are opened.
So you. Okay, that's clear. Thanks.
Maybe I do not understand.
No, that's clear. Just maybe some examples or.
Okay, yeah, I will explain now for you, special. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.